Good morning, investors and traders. This is Naeem Azam, Chief Market Analyst at AvaTrade, and welcome to our daily analysis on our YouTube channel. So what we're really looking at in terms of the Dow Jones futures is that they are down by literally by 122 points. Of course, the S&P futures are down by 0.36% or 13 points on the other side. But yesterday we did have a positive close for the equity market, for the cash equity markets, not for the futures, because when we talk about futures, especially for the Dow Jones futures, we have 3 consecutive days of losses. And today, yes, the market is really trying to recover some of the losses, but there is not really much recovery there because we are still very much trading within the range of last week, meaning the highs of last week and the lows of last week. So that is where the market is very much trading in. But what is really missing in the market is more positive news, because yes, the current surge in coronavirus cases is still very much keeping investors a little bit hesitant to go fully in on the risk on assets. And because of that, we're not seeing that sort of a momentum, that sort of a kick, which can really push us beyond the all-time highs, or at least beyond the highs of last week when Pfizer came out with its vaccine data. And on the other side, there are also cracks they have also started to surface between the Treasury Secretary, U.S. Stephen Mnuchin, and Jerome Powell, the Federal Reserve Chairman. Now, obviously, traders are very much concerned, because if both of them are not on the same page, that means less help in terms of a monetary and fiscal policy for the country, and that can certainly derail the economic recovery, which we have already seen. Now, in terms of our Bitcoin prices, remember yesterday we spent most of the day below 18,000. Today we are back above 18,000, and this really opens the door for Bitcoin prices to touch and retest the all-time high near enough that 20,000 mark. And if that happens, remember the RSI at that time will be very much screaming for overbought zone. That's all for today. Enjoy your weekend, and I will see you guys next week.